ម្ដងនេះចេញវីដេអូគឺចេញមកនិយាយខ្មែរម្ដងព្រោះអីនៅម្ដាយគាត់សំណុំពរអញ្ចឹងចង់និយាយជាភាសាខ្មែរអូខេអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលាអូខេនិយាយលេងទេបងប្អូននេះគឺជាសកម្មភាពដែលខ្ញុំបានទៅបោះតង់នៅព្រៃមួយអាចថាមិនមែនព្រៃគឺថាទឹកស្ទឹងមួយឈ្មោះថា Mary River ដែលជាប់ជាមួយខេត្តឬក៏ខេត្តហ្នឹងឯងខេត្ត Victoria ហើយនិង New South Wales ហើយមិនថាយើងបោះតង់នៅម្ដុំណាឬក៏ភូមិណាគឺទេសភាពគឺថាស្រស់ស្អាតលឿនធូនេះធូអត់បាច់ធូអូយខ្ញុំអោនអូធំអានេះអូធំម៉ែ so big
oh my god
ដៃមីដាក់ដល់ធំជាងមនុស្សស្ទូចទៀតមកគ្រឿងឈ្ងុយបដាចេញណាចានមកព្រៃម្ដងនេះមួយរៀងរហាមតិចព្រោះអីអាកាសធាតុក្តៅមែនតើគឺ43 44អង្សាអីហើយសំណាងដែរយើងបោះតង់ចិត្តមកទឹកអញ្ចឹងទៅមានចំហាយតិចហើយពេលណាដែលរៀងក្តៅយើងអាចចុះទឹកអីបានជីវិតកាន់តែស្ងួនមានតែបងមួយជួយរំដោះទុំស្នេហ៍អូនការលេងស្រពោននោះបងវើវិញដើរអូអមរយៈខំដៃអមអានឹងខំដៃណាចានឹងខំយកហ្មងតែថតចប់ទីអីនេះបងវាលេងទៅតើOkay. Camping once again. It's actually quite hot today. It's 43 or 44 degrees. And right now it's around 11, I believe. And it's just started to heat up. It's walking up here to get some service because where we camp, there's literally one bar, but I can't even receive a message. So I'm just trying to find some service. But I guess that's one thing you got to realize as well, not being able to get service and, you know, no access to certain facilities. But at the same time, you get these views. You get these beautiful views, wake up to this beautiful nature and wildlife. And yeah, it's so worth it. It's my little therapy session on most weekends. And yeah, highly recommend it if this is something you don't usually do. But it also depends if this is kind of your thing and if you're open to trying it out as well. But yeah, it also reminds me of home, back in, you know, the countryside where I was born. And just being able to, you know, do things without having those certain facilities shows again, reminds you of how grateful you are for life and what you have. So coming here, even though you don't get access to certain facilities, but it's a little reminder to be grateful once again. And yeah, so peaceful. Lots of skiers here. ធ្វើហូបគួយបាត់ជើងទៀតសុភាពរៀបសារអូហាត់ហើយបងហាត់ហើយបង Okay, my cooking is ready. គោឡើងភ្នំបាយអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូនេះមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេអរគុណបងប្អូនដែលបានទស្សនាជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗទៀត